Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome back to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to make the three-way Cobra paracord bracelet. This is a really nice looking alternative to the standard Cobra weave. As you can see, I'm joining two pieces of my cord for the main length. This way, I have three different colors when I'm finished. For this project, you'll need about 9 feet of paracord for your main cord and 4.5 feet for your accent cord, plus a clasp. You'll also want scissors and a lighter to trim and finish your ends. We're going to save time with this video and focus on this weaving pattern. So I've already completed the 2-strand core setup. Now let's start the 3-way Cobra knot pattern. You should have your 2 core strands running down the middle, attached to the buckle. From here, I'm going to pass my accent cord through the 2 girth hitches at the top, and then cinch everything up nice and tight. Then we can begin the Cobra weave pattern. Take the left cord and bring it over the 2 center strands. Take the right cord, lay it over the left cord, then bring the right cord behind the 2 center strands and up through the loop formed by the left cord. Now, take the right side of your accent cord and pass it down under the right side cord, and then across the core strands. Pass your left cord over the accent cord. Then bring the left cord behind the center strands and up through the loop formed by the accent cord. Pull both cords evenly and snug up against the core strands to tighten the knot. Let's continue with the left side. Take the left side of your accent cord and pass it down under the left side cord and then across the core strands. From there, take the right cord and pass it over the accent cord and then behind the center strands and up through the left loop. You can see how the pattern is forming. We can continue with the right side. Pass your accent cord under the right cord and then across the core strands. Again, the left cord goes behind the core strands and then up through the loop on the other side. Pull both cords snug and then continue the alternating weave. Alternate sides for each knot. Continue making your alternating knots until the bracelet reaches your desired length. Make sure the last knot sits snugly against the buckle or the previous knot. When you get to the other end of your bracelet, finish with a final knot close to your clasp and tighten the knot so the cords are trapped inside. Trim the ends to about 1/8 of an inch. Then carefully melt the ends with your lighter and squish them flat. The melted tips should sit flush against the back of the bracelet. What we now have is a 3-way Cobra paracord bracelet with a clean, professional finish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.